Welcome everybody, you're here with Gull Khan, and I help entrepreneurs to break free from the limiting beliefs, to reverse their money shame, and to blast through their money blocks so that they can live a life of unlimited abundance. And I have the privilege here to be talking to one of my clients who is an amazing person, an amazing coach in her own right, someone called Linda Clay. And I'm going to let her introduce herself and in terms of what she does and why I love her so much and why she's been doing such amazing things and rocking the world around her. So Linda, welcome. How are you?
I'm fine, Gull. Thank you so much.
So Linda, tell us, what do you do and why do I love you so much?
Just because I'm so unique. No.
You are.
I'm a business and lifestyle strategist, and I help women who are ready to find their purpose, to create the life that they want and create more impact, more finances, and just really embrace themselves and go for it.
Fabulous. So Linda, you've been part of my mastermind for the last 6 months, or coming up to 6 months now. And so share with us, what was the problem that you had before you joined mastermind, and what prompted you to join in the first place?
Well, I in researching, I heard about you through a friend, and then I talked to you just in like an introduction. You were just doing a clarity call type thing, and that call brought up stuff that I wasn't even aware was like holding me back. So I've been working online for 5 years. This is my second business online. The first one did well, and this one was going well too, but not the way I wanted it to. So I knew I had personal blockages that I had to address, but I had no idea the personal blockages and the stuff that I've been carrying for years. And so that one call, it was like, I need to work with this person, because she brought up stuff that it blew my mind. I mean, I cried after I think I cried on the session. And
I think you did, and you mentioned it. But I always say, if I don't make you cry, I haven't done my job properly. All right, wonderful. Now, since you've joined the mastermind and you've been with me for the last 6 months, what sort of results have you got? What sort of impact has the mastermind done on your mindset, on your energy, and the world around you? So tell us, share with us some of the results that's happened for you.
Well, it's helped me really, and I've always been a person to address any issues that I knew of.
Yeah.
I also knew that there were things that we carried that were underneath, but didn't quite have the tools to bring those things out. And so going through the processes that we've been going through over the last, what's it been, 6 months about, have really helped me to look at the things that I wasn't aware of, that were planted in my brain or in my body, in my cells, that I needed to get rid of. So it's opened up a much more positive energy flow.
Right. Okay.
It has made me more aware of the power of really opening yourself up to abundance, opening yourself up to changing my mindset to look at things differently, in a more positive manner. And it has brought a lot of new contacts, new people into my life. I mean, I've seen big shifts and changes in who I am associating with.
Yep.
How I'm running my business.
Everywhere. You're like the PR queen at the moment. You're everywhere.
And how I run my business. Yeah. It's easier. I mean, everybody has negative voices. Everybody does. And it doesn't matter where you are in your path. Those voices will crop up, periodically. They just do, as we struggle or we try and do something new. And it's given me tools to stop those quicker.
Yeah.
To change them around, to open up and understand that, there's that flow, the energy flow, the positive, negative. And it's been amazing journey.
Oh, well, it's so good to hear, my lovely. So good to hear. Now, the mastermind is divided into 2 components. We have the clearing calls and we have the manifestation calls. Let's talk about each of them individually. So the reason why we're going to talk about it, because I come from a very different angle. I call myself a money mindset expert, but when you come and work with me, you realize I'm all about energy. I'm about energy healing and energy clearing and shifting your vibration. So were you familiar with energy clearing or working with energy before working with me?
Yeah, I knew a little bit about energy clearing. Yes. I've never done it myself. Right. No. So yeah, this was a new experience. And like I said, it's been a huge benefit to me to go through all the different energy clearings. And I have gone through most of them more than once.
Yeah.
And I plan to, I know we just did our last one.
Yeah.
I plan to do that last one again. And then I'm going to go through and start at the beginning and keep going. Because I think, and I tell this to my clients, I call it, I use baklava because I happen to like baklava better than onions. But we have layers.
Yeah.
You know, and so you can hit one layer, you peel it up, and then you think you're going fine, and then there's something that's in the way, and you've got to dig through that layers of phyllo dough to get to the good part.
So how did you find my energy clearance? Because they are very unique to the normal conventional EFT and a few other things. I use my voice as modality. I say words. I say a high speed. I go 100 miles per hour. How did you find that? And how did you find resonate? How did that resonate with you? That this particular modality that I use personally.
Oh, I loved it. I think the hardest part, of course, is to learn to focus on your breathing so you're not hearing the words.
Yeah.
So that took a while to get adjusted to. And now that I know what I should be doing, it's much easier.
Yeah.
There are physical reactions that you go through.
Yeah.
The one I think I mentioned to you yesterday when we did the last one, I mean, I've never yawned so much in my life. And that's all I did for the first half of it was yawn, and my eyes were tearing and I was yawning. And, so not recognizing the reactions that your body will give you when you're going through something like that has been an interesting process.
It is, and you do actually get physical manifestation of your reaction. So it's not just you're passively sitting there. You actually feel the energy shifting together through either pain or tingling or tears or spirals around your head spinning, all sorts of things, which is unique when you first start out. It's like, oh, what? What's so it's quite a unique experience, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. Yeah, and I think the last one before that we did, it was like my left leg just like all of a sudden just jumped. I mean, it was just weird. It was like, okay, it's waking me up, I guess. Sometimes you fall asleep during them.
Yeah, you do fall asleep. But we go into trance mode. That's the idea. Yeah, it is. Well, that's the clearing part. So now the manifestation call is something that I don't know anybody else who does. Manifestation calls are very unique to my set program and the way I've designed the mastermind. How have they helped you, and how did you find these manifestation calls, and what would you say about them?
I think they're one of the most beautiful things that I've ever gone through. Again, it's been a learning process for me because when I first started, I believe manifestation worked for everybody else. And I talk about manifestation with my clients, but it was always for the clients, not for myself. And so that was a new experience. I find that you have to work on your self-belief. Yeah. In order to, and I think a lot of people will say, oh, I'm going to manifest, we'll say $1 million home. Yeah. And it's really not conceptual. Their mind can't conceive that yet. So you have to kind of like take steps, into it, work your way up into it. But they're powerful. They're powerful. And when you've done them, you do 2 different kinds. And so when you're doing the individual ones and I'm listening on my end to what you're saying, I actually feel it in my body. Yeah. You can feel something moving, within yourself. So that like this added energy or something to the manifestation process.
Yeah, absolutely. And then obviously we have the group one where the whole group focuses on your particular manifestation for that period of time, which is 2 to 5 minutes, however long it is, but it is specific to you. So which is, again, using the Maharishi effect, it's really powerful. And we've had some amazing results, thereafter that I've heard about, which is fabulous. And that's the whole point of it. That's why these manifestation calls are on a bi-weekly basis and they're so powerful. Right. So you had such an amazing transition in your personal life. How has being part of the mastermind impacted your work life? As I mentioned, I think we talked about earlier, or touched on earlier, your PR has exploded. I don't know anybody else who gets as good PR as you. You're every single podcast I hear, you're being interviewed here and there, and you've got speaking gigs. You've had it just, your business seems to have just, grown exponentially. So please share. So what's happened with your business?
It's interesting because, of course, as a human being, you have your own ideas of what things should happen. Yeah. This is what I want. This is how I want it. Sometimes that doesn't necessarily meet the agenda that the universe or source energy or whatever has for you. Yeah. And so I think the biggest shift I've seen is realizing that the path that I was on is not necessarily the path I'm supposed to be on. Yeah. And so I know we've talked, and I'm shifting, not fully, but really concentrating on a different niche for my my business, and changing things, understanding that I don't know see if I can say this right, but understanding the value of services, the value of what I give to people. I think that's been, it's personal, but it affects your business. So if you don't have value in yourself and you don't have value in what you're selling, your business isn't going to grow. No. And I think with you, it's been the shift in terms of, I think we've discussed, I think you and I and Shannon discussed this, where we really feel that you are here to deliver purpose, and the universe has been almost pushing you, keeping you away from certain successes and giving you success in other parts, and saying, no, you need to do this. This is your purpose. You should be looking at this. Right. Which until now you've actually were focusing on. But so the universe has actually gone in and said, okay, no, this is where you should be going. And it's sort of geared you that way, which has been phenomenal. And I think that is working very well for you. Yeah. And I have to agree with you, because I know one point in my life that the universe played a big trick on me. And that's the thing that is a message I give to my clients. You can tell your clients all the things that you don't necessarily follow yourself, because it's always easier to give out information. But so I think that we have this resistance because our ego wants to do it this way. Everybody else is doing it this way. I want to make my business this way. But it doesn't mean that that's why I was brought here to Earth. That doesn't mean that's my purpose. It doesn't mean that's where I should be going. And so sometimes the universe nudges you another way. Yeah. And it's for your highest good, because in the end, the idea, the thing that I focus on in the mastermind, in general my teaching as well, is ask for help and guidance and seek divine inspiration to move forward, which is in a direction which is for your highest good and for the greater good of humanity, because you're here to you have a role to play. You're here to do a service for Master's energy. And sometimes you're maybe on the right path, but slightly deviated, and you may need to turn a couple of degrees that way, and you need to go in a certain direction. Sometimes you're unable to see that. The universe pushes you, which is in the end it's for your highest good anyways, because success comes to you and abundance comes to you, and you are changing people's lives at the end of the day, right? Absolutely. Yeah. So thank you for sharing all of that with us, Linda. But on a party note, tell us, what advice would you give to somebody who's thinking, well, I'm on the fence about joining the mastermind? Well, it's a financial commitment, it's a time commitment. Of course, you've been on every single call, every single week for the last 6 months. It's only once a week, but that is a commitment, and you've shown up every single time, which I think is fabulous. So for somebody who's thinking, oh, well, I'm not really sure I have the time, or I'm not really sure I have the money, I'm not really sure, if I should join the mastermind now, what advice would you give to them? Well, the first thing I'd say is do it. Just do it. Two, if I was talking to somebody, I would remind them how valuable they are. Yeah. And that this is an investment into yourself, into your business, into your life. And that's priceless. You can't really put a price on that. Yeah. And that what they will get out of the mastermind, there's no dollar amount. I can't put a dollar amount on the last 6 months. I can look back at who I was and who I am today. Yeah. And there's no price. There's no price, because I'm totally different. And if they hesitate, then they shouldn't. They should just do it. Get past the fear, get past the commitment, because changing yourself and growing is a commitment.
Yeah.
If you really want to be on that journey, you've
Yeah.
got to make a commitment to yourself.
Yes, yes, absolutely. And I totally agree with that. It's a matter of taking the leap of faith and knowing if my energy is resonating with you. It may not, it will not resonate with everybody.
Right.
Those two. The idea is that my tribe will come towards me. If my energy is resonating with you, then my clearings will work for you and the manifestation course will work for you. And if that is going to work, then your life will be unrecognizable 6 months down the line. And that's the purpose of the mastermind. The idea is for us to give you total transformation together as a group, as a collective. What do you say about the group as itself? How have you found the group? The group energy, or the collective energy, which is really important when it comes to the manifestation calls. How have you found that?
Oh, I think it's great. I mean, I think that it's not a huge group.
No.
So it's not like you have all kinds.
Large group, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. You don't have like 100 people. You have a very intimate group. You have very dedicated people that, really are looking to break through their own blockages and their own healing, because it is healing. I mean, really, there's a difference with dealing with something and healing from something. And that's something I think I've learned subconsciously through this whole process.
Yeah.
And so it's fantastic. It's fantastic. Yeah.
I'm so glad you said that, because it totally is. Even though this is a millionaire mindset mastermind, the way we approach money, the way I approach money, it's all about healing your stories. It's about healing your inner wounds. It's about healing your inner child and changing your stories and your paradigms around money. So it's inside out. But you're absolutely right. It is healing rather than actually just dealing with it and acknowledging it. We are actually going to deep core and healing these stories and healing these issues, which is paramount. Thank you so much. I love your feedback, and thank you so much for being here with us today. So tell us, where can we find you? So what is your social media handles, or where can we come and find you?
Well, my website is www.lindamclay.com.
Right.
I'm on Facebook at Linda M. Clay Biz, and I'm on all the social media handles at Linda M. Clay. So I'm available everywhere.
And remind us once again, so what is your title? What exactly do you help? And what's your niche as well? What kind of people do you serve?
My title is Business and Lifestyle Strategist. And, I really work with mostly women, some men, but women that are ready to really find their purpose and really make a difference in the world. I mean, that's the bottom line. That they're ready to get out of corporate life. They're ready to enter into a new season, create a new journey, and I help them map it all out and get them there. Yeah.
Fabulous. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you for sharing your time and your experience with the mastermind. I truly appreciate it, and I'm so humbled to the fact that you trusted me, with me with your journey. And I can't wait to see how you explode. You've changed so much, and I can't wait to see how much you'll grow and change in the coming weeks and months. Obviously, the mastermind is not for 6 months; it's for 13 months. So you'll be with us in the mastermind as is until.
Yeah, you're stuck with me.
I'm happy to do so. So thank you so much, and everybody else. Hopefully we'll see you again for another round of somebody else sharing their experiences of being in the Millionaire Mindset Mastermind. Until then, take care and thank you, and bye for now.